Apple's long-rumored foldable iPhone is finally starting to take shape, with fresh leaks hinting at a 2026 debut. Expected to arrive alongside the iPhone 18 Pro lineup, the device may be branded as the iPhone Ultra. Recent renders circulating online suggest a distinctive notepad-like design, setting it apart from typical foldables. A Turkish manufacturer has posted to Instagram imagery of what it claims is the mold for the iPhone Fold. This means the metal cast of a device that case makers use to make sure their cases fit the final design. The Apple iPhone Fold will have a notepad-like design with a 7.8-inch internal display and a 5.5-inch external display. Will pack an Apple A20 Pro chipset paired with high-capacity RAM and around 256 GB internal storage, including a 48MP primary shooter and a 48MP ultra-wide-angle shooter. The handset may include a 5,400 or 5,800 mAh battery along with eSIM support. Suggests a price starting at around $2,000, with some reports placing it between $2,100 and $2,300. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.